How to get HighLevel available for Pabbly connection. Hey there, my name is Kerry, Knoll, and in this particular video I'm going to teach you how to do that by answering the following 3 questions. Now, this question is the way it's been presented inside of YouTube. The better way to phrase it is probably how to make HighLevel available for a Pabbly connection, or how to connect Pabbly with HighLevel or use Pabbly in order to retrieve data or send data back and forth to HighLevel. But you get the idea. So question number 1, what is Pabbly? Number 2, why Pabbly is better than Zapier and Make? And 3, how to use a webhook to connect to Pabbly from HighLevel. So to answer that first question, what is Pabbly, I'm going to head on over and show you the Pabbly website. So if you're not familiar with Pabbly, it is a company out of India that has built a basically clone of Zapier, but for much, much less. So this is their website. They basically let you do what you would have to pay a couple $100s a month for on Zapier for only about $19 a month for all the functionality within Pabbly for so much less. You get so many more tasks and you have to pay so much less. It's just ridiculously better, and it connects to all the same apps for the most part, and they keep adding apps, they keep adding functionality. They're really legit into it. Now this offer here is something beyond just Pabbly Connect, which is the one you really want. They have Pabbly email marketing, email verification, subscription billing, form builder, etc. So they have several things, but Connect is the one. This is the actual page to get what you would really want. And again, start now, it's free, but let's go down to the pricing options again for it. Let me see if I have them here for you to show you what the costs really are. We'll get to the bottom here. Yeah, there you go. So we have the standard plan. Now this is all based on paying yearly and all that. You save the most if you do all that, but it's normally $19 a month for 12,000 tasks, which is typically a few $100s with Zapier nowadays, right? And if you need even more tasks, you can do it for $39 a month. And then of course you can go to 50,000 tasks for $79, and you can even pick even more tasks. And they give you a bunch of tasks for free as well, which is freaking unbelievable. So if you are struggling with Zapier, or you like Zapier but the costs are cost prohibitive, or you hate it, I highly suggest you hop on over to Pabbly. All right. So that is what is Pabbly and why it's better than Zapier and Make. Make's a little more difficult to use. So if you really are familiar with how Zapier works, Pabbly's going to be your best friend because it works almost identically. That's why I like it so much. All right. So we'll head over here to my demo, kind of show you how to utilize this technology just like you would with Zapier. So if you're familiar with that, you already know, but if you're not, this is how it works. You go into a workflow, so we'll go into an automation, and we can pick any automation. It doesn't really matter what we're doing. So we can do, we'll just go into the send email automation, and perhaps before we end up sending an email, we would want to do a webhook and send data or get data, probably send data more or less over to another application, right? So we can say webhook, and then webhook, we would probably do a post if we're sending the data, and that's what we'd be doing. And then we need the URL, right? So how do you get the URL? Well, if you've created a Pabbly connection like this is a GMAS verification for kerryknoll.com. I've set this up, so choose the app. We have webhook by Pabbly. That's how you start. Then it gives you the webhook URL, so you just simply copy this, and then once you've copied it, you're going to paste it in where I just showed you inside of HighLevel, and then you'll click on capture webhook response. If you have never done this before, this one already has captured a response, so it says recapture webhook response, and it'll show you what information was actually captured from the data. Then you can do different things. In this particular case, we're doing an API to connect to GMAS, right? With GMAS is a program that lets you do verification, and so we're doing that, and we get this information from GMAS for the most part, and then we connect and save. And then we have a router at the bottom, just like you would in Zapier, that you can do different things. So we have route success equals true, route success equals false. So the first one contains 2 steps, the second one contains 3 steps. The true version will then go and send the lead back to lead connector and update the tag and information, and basically updates this tag that says it's a valid email. So then we have after we route the information, we're all done with this particular Pabbly connection, or what we would typically call a zap. So let me go back here to my HighLevel account and show you. Just paste that in here just like that, and you click the Save button in the bottom right-hand corner. So essentially, same as Zapier, just much more affordable. And if you already know, you already know, but I wanted to explain that in case you stumble across this video and aren't sure what Pabbly actually is. All right, as always, I appreciate each and every one of you for showing up and watching this video. And if you have any further questions regarding any of this, please do not hesitate to ask. Simply leave me a comment below this video with your question, and I'll do my best to answer it for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the HighLevel bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my HighLevel bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my HighLevel Insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes HighLevel Masterclass for Beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about HighLevel. You will also receive a HighLevel Agency Masterclass for Beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving Marketing Engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link. Or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.